pwedeng makulong 6 months o higit pa. So hindi kailangan na physical ang pananakit para may VAUSI. But VAUSI, for those na ngayon pa lang naririnig yung VAUSI, VAUSI po is short for Violence Against Women and Their Children. So this is a law. This is Republic Act 9262 or the Anti-VAUSI Law. Psychological abuse, pwedeng 6 months to 12 years imprisonment. Economic abuse, yung hindi pagsuporta, kinokontrol yung pera ninyo, that can be 6 months to 12 years, lalo na kung napatuloy ang sinadya po siya at tuloy-tuloy. Pwedeng makulong 6 months o higit pa. So hindi kailangan na physical ang pananakit para may VAUSI. So psychological abuse alone is enough para makulong. Hello, attorney, full support sa anak pero wala akong pera para sa sarili ko. Ano po ito? Okay, we have to distinguish if kasal kayo. Hindi, pag kasal kayo, he has an obligation also to support you, okay? And your child. Pero pag hindi kayo kasal, yung obligasyon lang po niya is sa anak ninyo. So wala kang right to any sort of allowance, okay? So if there is a right, para makatanggap ng support at hindi ka nakakatanggap, that can be economic abuse, okay? So kung pinagbabawalan kang magtrabaho, kinokontrol yung pera mo kahit wala kang sariling income, wala kang personal allowance, wala kang at ginagawa kang financially dependent, that is a classic definition of economic abuse. Yan ay kung kasal po kayo.